Hi, I'm Dani Scallan and I study Public Services Level 3 at East Sussex College, Lewes. Studying at Lewes is actually really fun. Like, you get a lot of out of it. Like, we do a lot of trips and visits, you learn a lot. Like, it's a really good place it's a nice atmosphere, it's a good place to be. Like, it makes you want to come to college instead of just wanting to sit at home and not come in. So outside the classroom, we learn a lot more than what you would just get out of a normal sort of everyday course. So you go to Gatwick to do the border force, you go to Hollingbury Custody Suite to focus on the prison service and custodial care. In the first year, you go to the Houses of Parliament and you go around the House of Parliament, you look in the House of Lords and the House of Commons, and you learn a lot there as well about how they actually work, and it helps you gives you an insight on how to actually write your assignment from a first-hand point of view. With other trips as well, you do abroad visits. So last year they went to Cyprus, last year they went to New York and focused on the public services out there, so they focused on the police force. So after I finish college, I want to go to University of Portsmouth, and through working with my tutor, and both of my tutors to be fair, and the college, so a lot of the service is also available in college, I actually got an unconditional offer to Portsmouth to be able to study criminology and psychology, which public services really does make a massive difference with, because we have a whole unit of criminology in the first year, which helps you have a basic understanding of what you're actually going into, which is how I realised that's what I want to do. And then after I've done my 3 years at uni and got my degree, I want to be able to work with the police force and help search for missing people and work out why they went missing and the reasons behind that all, or focus on youth crime and youth justice. College as a whole has really helped me focus on how I want to be better at what I want to do, and how every single unit that I've done so far in my first and second year has really helped me become driven to be able to want to do it, and how to have the basic understanding of how I go into uni knowing certain things that I then can just build upon instead of focusing solely on just what I don't know. And with my tutor's help, it really has made me have a proper passion and drive to be able to want to do that instead of sort of just wanting to go straight into work. I want to have more of an education, understand more of it before going into the working world.